Chosen one, are you waiting for somebody to change? Are you waiting for a person, place, or thing to finally see your value and make the change that you feel they should make? Well, guess what? Your boy, C Nasty, with the message from God through my mouth to your ears, is letting you know right now that sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but guess what? There is no change coming over the horizon. Because I have, trust me, I have an energetic connection with the potentials of this so-called 3D reality we're in. And guess what? It's telling me that the change that you are hoping and seeking will not, and I repeat, will not be showing its face. So you better make other goals in your life right now, because you're wasting your time, your energetic potential, your manifesting capabilities on basically Disney fairy tale stuff. Get what I'm saying? You are not here to make somebody feel good when you gotta be the one feeling down. What type of psychological sense does that make, player? It doesn't make any. Feel me? You're hoping this person will change. Well, guess what? That person is hoping you're going to stay dumb enough to keep hoping that they do. And guess what? You probably will. You know why? Because I was at that moment in time in my life where I was dumb. And I used to just let people run amok in my life relationship-wise. And I would say, oh, one day they're going to see. One day they'll understand my value. One day. Guess what? That day never came. The day came when I left. Feel me? Or when they finally said, yeah, I gotta go. Feel me? And my heart gotta be excruciatingly broken. Feel me? That's when I found out. Don't let you have to find out the hard way either, when your boy just told you the message right now. And if you're watching to the point of this video, then you know that I know that you know that I know. Feel me? Because we've been through it, chosen ones. Listen, you will win. All you have to do is just be patient, all right? Cut off who you gotta cut off. It's a job, a person, place, or thing. Just cut them off. I know it's easier said than done, but guess what? On the other side of that, oh my God, is paradise, mental bliss, emotional liberation from the chains and the shackles. Oh, let's break the shackles together. Hit me in the comment section. Say, Nasty, I broke the shackles today. Y'all, I'm out of here, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. One love.